Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make Thumbnail by Canva application. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Canva application in your mobile device. Once you find it, tap on it. In here, let's proceed in making a thumbnail. First, click on the plus sign on the bottom right. Once you click the plus sign, there will be options and templates over here. Now, let's choose YouTube thumbnail. Tap on it. In here, once it finishes loading, you will see many templates for a YouTube thumbnail. You can choose which one you ever like. Once you choose one, it will now be directly in your canvas. In here, you can edit it as you like, depending on what you like. You can change the title or the texts found in the template. As you can see, you can reposition the texts as well, wherever you want it to be. Now, on the bottom side, you can now also choose whatever you want to do with the font. You can adjust its transparency or add animations depending on your taste. Once done, click on the button with an arrow. That is the button that says download or save. Only do this if you're satisfied with whatever you make. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.